Good morning, children. How are you? All of you are fine? Yes. Okay. Now come to the study point. This is your EVS class. In the last class, you have done some exercises and some oral work. Can you tell me the name of the chapter? What was the name of the chapter? Meet me. Okay. Now we will revise difficult word of this chapter, then we will continue the chapter. All of you have done? All of you have learned very carefully? Yes. Now tell me the spelling of play. What is the spelling of play? This is a revision time. What is the spelling of play? P L A Y. Play. Okay. What is the spelling of watch? Can you tell me the spelling of watch? W A T C H. Watch. Can you tell me the meaning of watch? Watch means देखना. Play means खेलना. And what is the spelling of enjoy? E-N-J-O-Y. Enjoy. It means fun? Yes. What is the, can you tell me the spelling of friends? Yes. F-R-I-E-N-D-S. Friends. Can you tell me the spelling of games? G-A-M-E-S. Games. What is the spelling of hobby? H-O-B-B-Y. Hobby. Now, one more spelling. Can you tell me the spelling of study? S-T-U-D-Y. Study. S-T-U-D-Y. Study. Spelling of cycle. What is the spelling of cycle? C-Y-C-L-E. Cycle. And what is the spelling of ears? Not ears, not कान वाला ears, no, ears. Y-E-A-R-S. Ears. All of you have learned? Yes. Now, we will continue the chapter with some more exercises. Okay? So, take out your notebook. Take your pencil. All of you have taken out your notebook and pencil. Okay. First, you will mention date 21 April 2020. What is the date today? 21 April. And what is the day today? Tuesday. 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 All of you have done? All of you have done? Yes. Firstly, you will write chapter. In the first line, you will write chapter. C-H-A-P-T-E-R. Chapter number 1. What is the name of the chapter? Meet me. Okay. Before starting the new work, I want to tell you the summary of the chapter, because it will be very easy to you to give the answer of the questions. Okay? In this chapter, one boy whose name was Raju. क्या नाम था? Raju. How many years was he old? He was 6 years old. Okay? And he has 3 friends. What was the name of the friends? Beena, Rehan and Jaskrit. And nickname of the Jaskrit was Jassi. And he has a dog also whose name was Jojo. Okay? And they play together and they study together, and Rajul wants to play with toys and he also wants to watch the television, and he some favorite things that he want to do was drawing, painting, dancing, such type of things. So before starting the new concept, I want to tell you the summary. This is the summary of the chapter. Now we are starting new concept. First we will do question answer, but answers will be in one word. Okay? Now note down in your notebook. 1. Give answer in one word. Give answer in one word. It means आपको किसी भी क्वेश्चन का आंसर एक ही वर्ड में देना है. Our question number 1. W-H-A-T what? W-H-A-T what? W-A-S was. The N-I-C-K nickname of Jaskrit. Question mark. What was the nickname of Jaskrit? Jaskrit का nickname क्या था? Can you tell me? Answer. A. What was the nickname of Jaskrit? J-A-S-S-I. Jassi. The nickname of Jaskrit was Jassi. Now, question number 2. W-H-A-T. What was the name of Raju's dog? राजुल का जो डॉग था उसका क्या नाम था? What was the name of राजू's dog? क्या नाम था राजूस के डॉग का? आंसर लिखेंगे, आंसर जोजो. What was the name of Raju's dog? Jojo. All of you have done? Okay. What was the nickname of Jaskrat? What was the nickname of Jaskrat? Jassi. Question 2. What was the name of Raju's dog? What was the name of Raju's dog? Jojo. These questions are of one word answer questions. Now we will do long question. On the next page we will do long question. Now we will do question answer. It means you will give answer in full statement. Q U E S T I O N. Question. A N S W E R. Answer. Question answer. All of you have done? Okay. Now question number 1. Question number 1 is W H I C H. Which? W H I C H. Which? C A R D. Card. C A R D. Card. D O do. Y O U. W E A R. Wear. I in Y O U R. Your. S C H O L. School. Question mark. Which card do you wear in your school? जब आप अपने स्कूल जाते हो तो आप कौन सा कार्ड पहन के जाते हो? कौन सा कार्ड पहनाती है मम्मी आपको? यस, यू वेयर आइडेंटिटी कार्ड. ओके, नाउ यू विल राइट आंसर. W E V W E A R. Wear. V wear. I D E N T I T Y. Identity card. We wear identity cards in school. We wear identity cards in school. जब हम स्कूल जाते हैं कौन सा कार्ड पहनते हैं? identity card. Okay? All of you have done? Yes. Now, question number 2. Your question number 2 है, what is a pet name? Question mark. What is the spelling of pet? P-E-T, pet. What is a pet name? Pet name क्या होता है? जैसे कि मम्मी आपको घर पर किसी प्यार के नाम से बुलाती हैं। सभी के मम्मा ने, पापा ने, दादी ने कुछ ना कुछ नाम रखे होते हैं, जिस नाम से वो आपको बुलाते हैं वही हमारा पेट नेम होता है. नाउ यू विल राइट आंसर. A pet name is a nickname. A pet name is a nickname. हमारा जो पेट नेम होता है वही निकनेम होता है. इट मीन्स हमारा जो प्यार से बुलाने वाला नाम है वही हमारा पेट नेम है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. WRITE. Write 2 hobbies of Raju. आपको राजुल की 2 हॉबी बतानी है कि उसको क्या क्या पसंद है. ओके, कैन यू टेल मी द हॉबी? आपने पूरा चैप्टर रीड किया है, आप बता सकते हैं कौन कौन सी 2 हॉबी है राजुल की. ओके, नाउ यू विल राइट आंसर. नंबर 1 RAWING ड्राइंग. DRAWING ड्राइंग. Number 2 PLAYING playing. WITH with. FRIENDS friends. कौन कौन सी 2 हॉबी थी उसकी? ड्राइंग एंड प्लेइंग विद फ्रेंड्स. नाउ रिवाइज दीज क्वेश्चंस. विच कार्ड डू यू वियर इन योर स्कूल? विच कार्ड डू यू वियर इन योर स्कूल? वी वियर आइडेंटिटी कार्ड्स इन स्कूल. हम स्कूल में कौन से कार्ड पहनते हैं? आइडेंटिटी कार्ड. क्वेश्चन 2 व्हाट इज अ पेट नेम? पेट नेम क्या है? अ पेट नेम इज nickname. A pet name is nickname. Question 3 write 2 hobbies of Raju. राजू की 2 हॉबी क्या हैं? ड्राइंग and playing with friends. कौन सी हॉबी है? ड्राइंग और प्लेइंग विद फ्रेंड्स. These are 3 questions which you have learned. Okay? Now you will write all questions in your notebook. Now this is oral work. You will give answer. Okay? नंबर 1, आपको जो भी आंसर सही है उसको टिक करना है. इट मीन्स अपने माइंड में टिक करना है एंड यू विल गिव द आंसर. नंबर 1, FRIENDS friends. PLAY play. TOGETHER together या फिर alone. Tell me, friends play together या फिर alone. Which is correct answer? Together. Friends play together. It means friends play. Friends play करते हैं together या फिर alone या फिर अकेले. आप सब फ्रेंड्स के साथ में प्ले करते हो ना, तो इट मीन्स टुगेदर. टुगेदर मीन्स साथ साथ. फ्रेंड्स प्ले टुगेदर. नंबर 2, a pet name. A pet name is या फिर is not. Nickname. A pet name. जो हमारा पेट नेम होता है वो हमारा निकनेम होता है या नहीं होता? होता है ना. पेट नेम इज निकनेम, तो यू विल टेक इज. ओके. A pet name is nickname. Now number 3, the things that we enjoy the least or most are our favorite. Things. The things that we enjoy the least. Least means कम. वो चीजें जो हम कम एंजॉय करते हैं या मोस्ट ज्यादा एंजॉय करते हैं आर अवर फेवरेट थिंग्स. हमारी जो फेवरेट थिंग्स होती हैं वो कम एंजॉय करने वाली होती हैं या ज्यादा एंजॉय करने वाली होती हैं? कौन सी होती हैं? हमारी फेवरेट थिंग वो होती हैं जो हम ज्यादा एंजॉय करते हैं. इट मीन्स मोस्ट. इट मीन्स मोस्ट. These are 3 sentences, but you will do these sentences only oral, not written. Now I am giving you some homework and you will do this work in your notebook. This is your homework. First, you will write here myself. Okay. Then you will paste passport photo. You will paste here photo. Okay. Now you will write some lines. Number 1, number 2, number 3. Write few lines about yourself. आपको यहाँ पर अपने बारे में कुछ लाइंस लिखनी है. एज माई नेम इज, आई एम ईयर्स ओल्ड, एंड आई लिव इन. Number 4, I read in which school? And number 5, my hobbies. And number 6, my contact number. You will write these lines in your notebook. Name, age, school name, and where do you live, hobbies, and your contact number. And this is your homework. You will do this work in your notebook. We will meet again in next class with new topic. You will do this work sincerely. I will check also this work. Okay?